very girl. It's a curse and a big burden on the whole family.
Please don't say that. I never thought even you would do the same.
Do not ask anything from me. No sympathies. Throw her in the dustbin. I cannot support the existence of this girl at all.
Please don't say that. I beg in front of you.
You may leave this house. I will turn mad otherwise. Girls are considered a sin, and all they give is just pain and burdens. And as such, I am not so rich to support anything. You better listen to me, or you may leave this house with your daughter.
I never thought even you would do the same as my family did to me. I'm in every way dependent on you. I have no one to support me. But you have no courtesy, not even for your own child. I was deprived of education. I was deprived of speech. I was even deprived to utter what I felt was right. All I heard is that I have been a curse. I have been a curse. But now, I won't take the system anymore. In fact, I would want to go against it. And if I won't be able to help this child, I will never forgive myself.
I'm very thankful to you. It's because of you that I won this case. I've heard that women are reaching to new heights in cities. And today, seeing all this, I wish that I had a daughter like you, who would have been no less than a son.
Thank you. A lady has never been this than a man. She is the one who defines the existence of this society. She is the creator. But men never realize that.
She is always considered as a woman.
She is always considered as a woman. And I am happy and hope to this society that a woman can do wonders. Just the right will and direction and support is required. And my support was my mother.
Honey, you?
Yes.
Get into the frame.
You?
Yes, it's me. And she is my daughter. The one you wanted to throw in a dustbin. Now what you have to say? Life is like a cycle. A vicious cycle. What you get is what you get. Leaving you, I did felt miserable. But then I went to a charity society. They taught me tailoring so that I can earn for myself and my little angel. I had to do this, Chetna, because this world never lets a woman to survive. And I don't want you to suffer all that what I have suffered.
I cannot ask you to come back. But yes, I'm highly ashamed for all like that. I don't have anything to say. All I can do is bow my heads in front of you. I will go back to village. And I promised you, Suhani, that from now onwards the birth of a girl child will never be considered a curse. My deeds, I know do not deserve any forgiveness, but that is the least I can do for you.